children, a very good morning to all. Hope you are all fine and safe at home. Yes? Okay children. Shall we spend few minutes for learning? Yes, we are going to see today's class. Yes? Have you all practiced last class? Have you all watched that one? Yes. So you all practiced subtraction, right? Fine children. Alright. So today we are going to see a different topics. Okay? So last class we have seen 7 table. Yes? Okay children, have you all practiced the tricks? Is it very easy for you? Fine. Hope you all learned 7 table. Now shall we move on to 8 table? So for 8 table also I have a simple trick children. Shall we start now? See here 8 table. Okay. So here I have written the 8 tables question. We are going to fill the answer now. Okay. So first I am going to split into 2. Okay. This half and this half. Okay. Up to 5 and here we have 10. So I am going to split up to this. Okay. So you have to start from 0. Okay. We are going to fill the ones place value. Okay children. See 0, 2 table. We are going to fill the 2 table numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. So these are all numbers comes in 2 table, right? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. The same number I am going to fill here also from the last. Okay. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. That's why I have split into 2. Okay. So up to 5 I have started and the same number I have started from the bottom. Okay children. Fine. Now we have completed the ones place value. Now we are going to fill the tens place value children. Yes. See here I am going to start from the top. Okay. See here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next up to 5 we have split. Next we have to start again 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay children, have you understood? Just we have split into 2. Okay, up to 5 I have taken first. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, these numbers comes in 2 table. Okay, first you have to fill the same. You have to fill here also. Next, start from 0 and fill the numbers 1, 2, 3. So up to 4 you have filled here. Again you have to start 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this comes the 8 table. Shall we learn the 8 table now? See, 1 8 is 8. 2 8s are 16. 3 8s are 24. 4 8s are 32. 5 8s are 40. 6 8s are 48. 7 8s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 9 8s are 72. 10 8s are 80. Okay children, so this is 8 table. Shall we recall once again? So repeat after me. 1 8 is 8. 2 8s are 16. 3 8s are 24. 4 8s are 32. 5 8s are 40. 6 8s are 48. 7 8s are 56. Okay, 56. 8 8s are 64. 9 8s are 72. 10 8s are 80. Okay children, you have to practice 8 table. Okay, and write it in your note also. Okay, fine children. Shall we move on to today's topic? So today we are going to see first place value chart. Okay, here I have written the place value chart up to crores. Okay, see we always start from ones place, right? See ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Okay, so we have and I have written up to crores. Okay, so these three, ones, tens, hundred, these belongs to ones. Okay, and 1,000 and 10,000 belongs to thousand. Okay, next lakhs and 10 lakhs belongs to lakhs. Next crores and 10 crores belongs to crores. Okay, so this is the order you have to follow while finding the numbers. Understand? Shall I repeat again? So this is very important, children. Place value chart is very important. You always remember to find the numbers. Understand? So you always start from ones place, from the last. Okay, so ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Okay, you should know the spelling for this also. Okay, while writing number names, you must know the spelling. Understand? Yes, fine. Shall we move on to the next one? What is the next one? Write the number names for the given numbers. Okay, here the number is given. We have to write it in words, children. Shall we start now? See, here I have written only the numbers. Okay, I didn't put comma, anything. Okay, now we are going to put comma. How to put comma now? So we have to split the numbers by putting commas. Understand? So how we have to put the commas? See, this 3 comes under ones place. Okay, so from this last, okay, you have to start from the last. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, before the 3 numbers you have to put comma. Okay, see here you have 3 columns. Okay, these 3 columns comes under ones. Okay, so you have to put comma before 3 numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, next after that 1,000 and 10,000. Okay, this 1,000 and 10,000 comes under thousands place. So before 2 number 1,000, 10,000. Okay, after that we have only 1 number that comes under lakhs. Okay, so just leave as it is. Okay, like this you have to split the numbers. Last 3 and then 2 numbers you have to take, because here we have split into 2 twos, right? See, thousands, lakhs, crores. So 2 number, before 2 number you have to put a comma. Only for the last you have to put before 3 numbers. Okay, other things and all you have to put a comma before 2 numbers. Understand? Always keep that in your mind. Now we have splitted the commas. We have splitted the numbers by using commas. Shall we write it in number names? Yes. Before that, what you have to start? You have to see the place value. See, this is ones. Okay, just I'm writing here. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So we have the numbers up to lakhs. Okay, so we have to start here from lakhs. Okay, so how many lakhs here? Very good, 4 lakhs. Okay, so write 4. Okay, spelling F-U-F-O-U-R. 4 lakh spelling. What is the lakh spelling? L-A-K-H. Okay, 4 lakh 72,000. Okay, here this is 72. Okay, 72 comes under thousands place. Okay, so this can be written as 72,000. Don't write 10,000. Okay, that is wrong. So you have to combine these 2 numbers. Okay, this comes under thousands place. So you have to combine the 2 numbers. Understand? So this can be read as 72. So 72,000. Okay, so 70. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. 72. T-W-O. 2,000. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. Okay, 1,000. 72,000. Next, 300. 3 is in hundreds place. So 300. T-H-R-E-E. 300. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. 0. So you have to take this number. Okay, so and you have to use and here, and 50. F-I-F-T-Y. 50. Okay, children. So this can be written as 4,72,350. Okay, have you understood now? Next, see here another number we have. So here also I didn't put any commas. Understand? So what you have to do? You have to first split the numbers by putting commas. Okay, as I have said the previous sum, the same order you have to put the commas. Understand? So how can you put the commas? So from the last. Okay, so you have to start from ones place. Understand, children? So ones, tens, 100. So before 100 you have to put a comma. Okay, next 1,000, 10,000. Okay, so here 1,000 and 10,000, that comes under thousands place. So you have to put a comma before two numbers, and then you have two numbers that comes under lakhs and 10 lakhs. Okay, so we have stopped up to here. So just leave it. After that we don't have any number. Okay, so we have splitted the numbers. As I have said now, the last three numbers. Okay, you have to first take the last three numbers, that is ones. So before ones you have to put a comma. Next thousands, before 1,000 you have to put a comma. Okay, that is two number, and then you have a two number. Like this you have to split the numbers, children. Okay, last only three numbers, and then and all you have to split two numbers. Okay, always keep that in your mind. Okay, so that easily you can identify the numbers. Okay, identifying the numbers is very important in mathematics. So you should be very thorough with identifying the numbers, as well as you should know the place value, children. Okay, fine. So it will be very useful for your daily life. Yes, fine. See, now we can write the place value. See, this is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, so this number starts from 10 lakh, children. So how can we write now? So this comes under lakhs place. So how can we start the numbers? So you have to start the numbers 86 lakh. Okay, you should not start 10 lakh. Understand? Keep that in your mind. You have to join these two numbers while writing the number names. Understand? While saying also, while pronouncing also, you have to join. Yes, you should not pronounce 10 lakhs, 6 lakhs. No, that is wrong. Totally wrong. So this comes under lakhs place. So you have to join these two numbers. You know these numbers, right? 86. So you have to say 86 lakhs. Okay. Next 70,000. Okay. These two number comes under thousands place. So 70,139. Okay, children. Shall we write in words now? See here how we can start. 86. 86. S-I-X. 86 lakh. 70,000. Okay, 70. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. 70,000. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. 1,000. 70,000. Next 100. 100. O-N-E. 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. And 39. Okay, and 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y. 39. N-I-N-E. 9. Okay, that's all, children. So you should know the correct spelling. Understand? So this can be written as 86 lakh 70,139. Okay, so before that you have to split the numbers by using comma, so that only you can easily identify the numbers. Okay, fine children. Shall we move on to the next one? See what is the next one? Write the numbers for the given number names. Just reverse of this. Okay, so here they have given the numbers, we have written the number names in words. Okay, but here they have given in words, we have to write it in numbers. Understand? Shall we start now? See the first one. 7 crore. Okay, 7 crore 24 lakh 765. Okay, so we have to start from crore. Okay, so 7 crore. So 7 crore 24 lakh. Okay, see here, after crore you have a lakh. Okay, so here also it is in lakh. So 24 lakh. So 24. Okay, 7 crore. So you have to put a comma, or else at the last you can split the numbers. Okay. So 24 lakh 700. See children, after lakh the number should be in thousand, but here 1000 is not there. 1000 and 10,000 is not there. Okay, so next you have 100 place. Okay, you should not write the number. So instead of that thousands place, you have to put 0. How many zeros? See here you have in thousands place 10,000 and 1000. So instead of that, you have to put 20 children. Okay, 20, because here 1000 is not there. Okay, so instead of that, I have put here 0. Next, 100. Okay, so how many 100 is here? 700. 765. Okay, 65. Now you can split the numbers like this. Okay, so 3 number, 2 number, 2 number and 1 number. Understand? Like this you have to split the numbers. Now you can read this one. See here, 7 crore 24 lakh 765. Okay, so if the place value is not there, you have to add 0 in the particular place. This is the order. If the order is missing, you have to put in that particular place 0. Okay, have you understood? Shall we move on to the second one? See here, second one, 43 lakh. Okay, here the number starts from lakh. Okay, 43 lakh 60,001. Okay, shall we write the numbers now? See here, 43 lakh. Next, after lakh you have a 1000. Okay, how many thousand? 60,000. 60,000. Next, after 1000, what place value should come? See here, after 1000 it should be 100 tens ones. Okay, but here you have only ones place value. So 100's place and 10's place is missing. Instead of that, what you have to put? 0. How many 0? 2 0. Okay, one is 100's place and one is 10's place. Okay, so you have to put 2 0. And then last number is 1. Okay, now you can put the commas. So before 3 number, next 2 number and next 2 number. So this can be read as 43 lakh 60,001. Okay, fine children. Shall we move on to the third problem? See here, 36 crore 205. Okay, so here the number starts from crores. Okay, so how many crores? 36 crore. Okay, so 36 crore. Next, after crore, what place value should come? Very good, lakh. But here lakh is missing. Okay, so here 10 lakhs and lakhs is missing. So what you have to put? You have to put 20 children. 1, 2. Okay, so after lakhs there should be 1000. Here 1000 place is there? No, here only 100 place. So here 1000 place also missing. So what you have to put? You have to put 0 instead of 1000. Okay, so in the place of 1000 you have to put 0. Okay, 2 zeros. Next, after 1000 you have hundreds place. Here you have 100. How many 100 is there? 200. Okay, 200. 200. Okay, 2. So after that 100 you have at tens place. But here tens place also missing. Okay, only one place you have, that is 5. So instead of that tens place, what you have to put? You have to add 1 0 and then 5. Okay children? Yes, now we can put commas. Okay, before 3 numbers and then 2 numbers and then 2 numbers. Okay, so this can be read as 36 crore 205. Okay, have you understood now? So this is very important children. While writing the numbers also you should be very careful. It should be in the order. Okay, first crore, next lakh, next thousand, and then 100, tens, ones. Okay, the order should be like this. If that is missing means instead of that you have to put 0 and fill the numbers. Okay, only the numbers you cannot able to write. That is wrong. Only numbers if you can write means that is totally the whole problem is wrong. Okay, so you have to fill the particular number. Understand? For writing number names also. Okay, for writing number names also you have to write like this. Yes, fine children. Shall we move on to the next topic? Okay children. So what is our next topic? Even and odd numbers. Okay, so first we are going to see even numbers. Okay, we are going to see even and odd numbers. Now we can see one by one. Okay, first we are going to see even numbers. What is meant by even numbers children? See, even number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So these numbers comes in two table, right? So you can easily keep remember. Okay, so even number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, next it is exactly divisible by 2. So even number is exactly without reminder, it exactly divides by 2 means that is even number. Okay, fine. Next, what is odd numbers? Odd numbers ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, except this number, if this number comes in, that is a odd number. Okay, so odd number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, and it is not exactly divisible by 2 children. Okay, you have if you divide means if you have a remainder means that is not exactly divided. Okay, if it is not exactly divided by 2, that is the odd number. Okay, have you know the difference between even numbers and odd numbers? Yes, so you always keep remember this one. Shall we move on to the next one? See what is the next one? Write whether the number is odd or even. Okay, here you have some pictures. Okay, you have to pair it. Okay, so just see it and find out whether it is odd or even. Okay, shall we start now? So what is this first one? Butterflies, right? Yes, very good. So this one we are going to count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, how many butterflies are there? 3 butterflies. Okay, 3 is even number or odd number? See here. So 3 comes under odd number. So 3 is the odd. Okay, you have to write here odd. This is odd number. One more method you have. You have to pair it. Okay, pair means what? 2. Okay, pair means 2. So you have to pair. Just circle this. For your reference, I am showing this one. See, I have circled one pair. So this is the first pair and another one pair. For that I don't have anything. Only one is remaining. Okay, one is not pair. If it is 2 means that is a pair. So one is remaining. So if it is come like this means that is odd. Okay, shall we pair the balloons now? You see here, this is the one pair and this is the second pair and this is the third pair. I don't have any left over here. I just have paired all the balloons. Okay, how many balloons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, totally we have 6 balloons. Okay, if you want you can count or else just pair the picture. Okay, pair it. Okay, pair the object. If it is even number. Okay children, fine. Shall we move on to the next one? What is this? Yes, flowers. Okay, shall we count the flowers? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here we have 5 flowers. 5 is even number or odd number children? Very good. So 5 is the odd number. Okay, you always keep that in your mind. 2 table. Okay, 2 table is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is even number. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is odd number. Here we got 5. So this is odd number. If you want, you can pair and see also. Okay, if you want, you just pair it. Okay, see, 1 pair, second pair, and 1 is left over. So if it is left over means that is automatically odd number. Okay, see the next one. What is this? Yes, stars. Okay, shall we pair the stars now? Yes, see here. First pair, second pair. We don't have anything left over children. So by seeing itself you can find out whether it is even or odd. Tell me whether it is even or odd. Yes, very good. It is even because we don't have anything left over here. We have paired the given object. Okay, fine. See what is this next one? Apples, right? Very good. Shall we count the apples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here how many apples are there? 5 apples. Okay. Shall we pair this one? See. 1, 2. Okay. Here I have left over 1. So what is this? Even or odd? Very good. This is odd children. See, for small numbers, for lower numbers, you can do like this. Okay, if the object is given, you can pair it and see. If not, means they given the bigger number, means what you have to do? See the next problem. Find the given number is odd or even. So we have to find whether the given number is odd or even. Okay, fine children. See here, this is the bigger number. Okay, this is the largest number. So how can you find the largest number? We cannot take the object because it's very big. Okay, it starts from 38,476. So we cannot take the object to pair it. So what you have to do? You have to see the last number children. See here, the last number is 6. So 6 is the even number or odd number? See, 6 comes under even number. So this is even number. So write even number. Okay, this is even number children. Okay, next one. See the second problem. 4,323. You have to read out the numbers. Don't simply see the last number. Just read out the numbers. 4,323. Here the last number is 3. Okay, so 3 is even number or odd number children? So 3 comes under odd number. So this is odd. Okay, this is an odd number. Okay, fine. See the third problem. See the last digit. 90,452. The last number is 2. So 2 is an even number or odd number? Very good. 2 is an even number. This is even. And then see the fourth one. See 66,781. So here the last number is 1. Okay. So 1 is even number or odd number children? Very good. It is odd number. So you have to write this is odd. Okay. Like this. For smaller numbers, if they given object means you can pair it and see. For smaller numbers you can easily identify. For bigger numbers also, only see the last digit in ones place digit. Okay. If the ones place digit comes under even number. This is the even number. That's why I have written the statement. Even number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If these number ends with, that is the even number. Okay. Next one. The odd number. An odd number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. If these number ends with the largest number means that is automatically you can find out odd number. Okay, so today we have seen numbers, identifying numbers, number names as well as odd and even. Okay, so based on this odd and even numbers, you have an activity, children. Okay, watch the activity. Okay children, now we can see an activity based on even and odd numbers. Okay, see what is this? So you are seeing a colorful ice creams, right? Yes, see here you have even numbers and this side you have odd numbers, right? Alright children, see even number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, so these are all number comes under even numbers. Okay, now move on to the odd numbers. See here in odd numbers, so it ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay children, yes, so if this number comes, that is called odd numbers. Okay, fine children. So I have said one more point about even and odd numbers. Even numbers is exactly divisible by 2, but odd numbers not exactly divisible by 2. If it is not exactly divisible by 2 means you will get a reminder. Okay, if you get the reminder means that is not exactly divisible by 2. Okay, fine children. Shall we move on to one more activity? Fine. Now see this one children, even and odd numbers. Okay, see you have seeing a colorful flowers, right? Yes, so the yellow color flowers belongs to even numbers. See the numbers, see 4, 2, 6, 16, 12, 8, 18, 20, 2. Okay, so you can see the 2-digit numbers. Okay, so the 2-digit number ends with 0, 2, 6, 8. Okay, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. But here you don't have 2-digit number in 4. Understand? You have single digit number 4. So these numbers comes in 2 table. Okay, what are all the numbers comes in 2 table? That is a even number. Okay, that's why I have said the even numbers is exactly divisible by 2. Okay, now move on to the odd numbers. Okay, see you are seeing pink color flowers, right? See the numbers here, 1, 3, 7, 5, 9. Okay, these are all 1-digit numbers. Now move on to the 2-digit numbers, 13, 19, 17, 15, 11, right? So the 2-digit number, see the last number children, so it ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, so these comes under odd number. Okay, now you can very clear about even and odd number, isn't it? Yes children, very good. Now by following this activity you have an assignment. Okay, so do the assignment and send it through the WhatsApp group. Okay, I'll see you in the next class children. Thank you.